of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of Lake Michigan. For today and tonight, weather hazards expected. Hazardous conditions for small craft. Limited thunderstorm risk with an associated limited hail risk up to penny size. Limited thunderstorm wind gust risk up to 40 knots. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Friday and Saturday, limited thunderstorm risk. At 9 a.m. at O'Hare Airport it was sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees. The dew point was 62. And the relative humidity was 49%. The heat index was 84. The wind was west at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 23. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 83 at Waukegan, 82 at DuPage Airport, 85 at Midway Airport, 82 at Gary, Indiana, and 82 at Benton Harbor. At Milwaukee Airport, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 85. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 83 under sunny skies. At Milwaukee's harbor entrance, winds were west at 11 knots. At the Kenosha Harbor entrance, winds were southwest at 12 knots. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were south at 16 knots. In open waters, at the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were southwest at 8 knots. Waves were 1 foot. In open waters, at the North Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 14 knots. Waves were 2 feet. At 9 a.m. at O'Hare Airport it was sunny. The temperature was 83 degrees. The dew point was 62. And the relative humidity was 49%. The heat index was 84. The wind was west at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 23. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was sunny with a temperature of 83 at Waukegan, 82 at DuPage Airport, 85 at Midway Airport, 82 at Gary, Indiana, and 82 at Benton Harbor. At Milwaukee Airport, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 85. Once again, at O'Hare Airport it was 83 under sunny skies. At Milwaukee's harbor entrance, winds were west at 10 knots. At the Kenosha Harbor entrance, winds were southwest at 12 knots. At Chicago's Harrison Beaver Crib, winds were west at 18 knots. At the Michigan City entrance, winds were southwest at 13 knots. At the Muskegon entrance, winds were south at 15 knots. At the South Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 8 knots. At the North Lake Michigan buoy, winds were south at 17 knots. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Rest of today, sunny. Very hot. Highs in the upper 90s. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the 60s to upper 70s. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour in the evening, becoming northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour after midnight. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s to lower 90s inland, but only in the upper 70s to mid-80s near the lake. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the 50s to upper 60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the 80s inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. Chance of precipitation 40%. Saturday, partly sunny. Chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 90. Chance of precipitation 30%. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs around 80 inland, but only in the mid-70s near the lake. Lows around 60. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s inland, but only in the lower 70s near the lake. And now for the marine portion of the forecast. Synopsis. Low pressure around 29.5 inches over Ontario will gradually continue east-northeast and deepen to around 29.4 inches as it moves over James Bay tonight. This low will bring a cold front through the area late this afternoon into late this evening. Before the front moves through, brisk southwest winds are expected with the highest gusts to 30 knots mainly over the northern half of the lake. Once the front moves through, expect winds to shift to the northwest and become lighter overnight into Wednesday as high pressure around 30.1 inches gradually builds over the area. Light winds then continue through the week. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Pentwater, Michigan north. Rest of today, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots increasing to 30 knots. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots diminishing to 10 to 20 knots late in the evening, then becoming west after midnight diminishing to 10 to 15 knots late. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet subsiding to 3 to 5 feet. Wednesday, west winds 10 to 15 knots becoming north 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Wednesday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots diminishing to 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thursday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots increasing to 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 1 foot or less building to 1 to 2 feet. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 20 knots. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Friday, southwest winds 10 to 20 knots becoming south. Waves